Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to cancel an order on Shein app. First of all, you can open the Shein application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now go to the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. And after tapping on this, you can see the option My Orders. Tap on View All, and after this you can just simply see your all orders here. You can just simply select the order that you want to cancel. After selecting the order is still processing. You can cancel the order anytime, and if the order has shipped you cannot cancel order because this is the against of the Shein app policy, and it is a way you can cancel order on Shein app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist you in the next one. Thanks for watching.